Hi, my name's Alan, corporate chef for FEM. Today working on the Hamilton Beach Commercial food blenders, the HBF600, and we're going to make a Romesco sauce. We've got some ingredients on the plate. We've got some extra virgin olive oil, roasted red peppers, some almonds, paprika, dry bread, shallots and garlic going in to make the Romesco sauce. So let's just load up the HBF600, a little bit of olive oil with some vinegar. Okay, and then everything goes in. We've got some peppers going in. We've got some dry bread going in as well. Some shallots, a little bit of garlic and almonds. On the HBF 600, we've got various functions I can use. I've got high speed already, I can pulse, I can chop, and I've got variable speed. Now for the Romesco, because I don't want it pureed, I'm going to use the chop function. So for the final 10 seconds, we'll go on variable speed. And finish.